How to buy DoorDash with a vanilla gift card. Start by going to www.doordash.com on your browser. Wait for the page to load, then click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your login details carefully to access your account. Once logged in, click on the 3 lines at the top left corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with options like Home, Pickup, Orders, Payment, and more. Click on Payment. The payment method page will appear, showing all available options. Click on Credit/Debit Card option to add a new card. Carefully input the details of your vanilla gift card in the required fields. Make sure everything is correct before submitting. And that's it. Your vanilla gift card is now successfully added to your DoorDash account. Thank you for watching this tutorial.